Welcome to this SolidWorks 2018 course from Render, where we will teach you how to create assemblies. In this first class, we will see how the course is organized to facilitate learning. Come on, let's go. This course is organized into two modules, which contains classes, where we teach step-by-step how to use program commands and tools. Practical examples, where we review the content by performing case studies. And complementary exercises, which are tasks for the student to do and train. In the first module we will have an overview of the course and learn how to access the environment and the main tools and resources for assemblies. We will see how to insert the components and restrict their movements with the mate command, according to their functions in the set. We will work with component editing in part and assembly environments. We will add configurations to assemblies, using Configuration Manager, and insert components from the SolidWorks library, the design library. In the second module we will train the development of assemblies, performing practical examples. We will assemble an anchor point in hydraulic equipment, reviewing the use of positioning and even using some advanced SolidWorks positioning. Finally, we propose complementary exercises for the student to do and train his learning, assembling a bearing and a mechanical device, perfecting himself further in the use of SolidWorks 2018 for the creation of assemblies. After completing this course, the student will be able to use SolidWorks 2018 to create assemblies, and can develop several projects for various applications, in a professional way. We wish you an excellent learning. Render, who knows, teaches.